This is worksheet 30.1 review number 71. We have a graph of a polynomial and we're going to use long division to try to factor this polynomial completely. Based on the graph, all we know is that -2 is a root, which means that one of our factors must be x plus 2. What we're trying to do is find what the rest of the factors are. If this divides evenly into this polynomial, we're going to use division, long division. So I'm going to do x plus 2 on this side, and I have 5x cubed minus 14x squared minus 53x minus 10 down here. So with long division, we're kind of just working backwards and figuring out what would we have to multiply by up here to get this as our answer. So writing this first term here, I would need a 5x squared multiplied by x to get here. This times this is 10x squared. And I want it to be a negative 14x squared. So I'm going to put a negative 24x squared, which combines with 10 to give me negative 14. So this will be negative 24x. This gives me negative 48x. But I want negative 53, so this is a negative 5. This is a negative 5, and this is a negative 10. So my polynomial that is left is 5x squared minus 24x minus 5. I can factor that further, so if I try to factor this trinomial so that I can get this in completely factored form, this is a negative 25 and a negative 24. So negative 25 and positive 1, multiply to that and add to that. And we can use factoring by grouping here to determine the factors of this. It'll end up being a 5x. Once you do the grouping process, you'll get 5x. This would be x. Here we'd have a negative 5, and here we'd have a positive 1. So if those are all of our factors, our roots, we have -2. This would give a root. If we set this equal to 0, we'd get x equals negative 1 over 5. And if we set this one equal to 0, we get x equals positive 5. The degree of the polynomial is the same as the largest exponent in our original equation, which is 3.